The Green Street, a small plant paradise in Lisbon, the capital of Portugal. With barely any information about it on the web, this place became an urban legend that resembles the consistency and effort of locals. But how did locals manage to achieve this on their own? Let's find out. Hi there, I will be your guide through this magical place today, providing you with the eyes of a designer.
And I am here for moral support.
There are 5 aspects that locals manage to cover properly. Aspect 1. Influence. Everything began from this house.
It looks like a zoo to me.
But it's a well-maintained one. In fact, this guy put so many plants that he managed to influence others to participate as well. This became a best greenhouse competition. The influence was great for local businesses as it attracted tourists.
Okay, that was about the backstory. Where is the designer part?
That's where we come to the second aspect, plant vibes. Every city needs green places. Nature makes us feel good and at rest from the noisy city life.
Yes, it is too noisy sometimes.
Normally, urban designers create parks separately from the crowded places, but the Green Street merges the peacefulness of nature with the noisy life, which is an interesting idea.
Smoke weed near weeds.
Is the weed real?
No.
There is plant life all over the place, hanging from a rooftop, placed in a pot, spiraling on a wall.
Except some of them are actually fake.
It's an exception. Most of them are real.
You know, putting plants is not too impressive anyways. Even my grandma can do it.
The design doesn't stop there. Aspect 3. Green color. Every good design needs a support character. Painting different objects in green supports the idea of plant life. This includes doors, windows, walls, even some of the facade elements. This makes the infrastructure part of the nature-themed experience on Green Street.
Okay, but what if it gets dark?
That's where the 4th aspect comes. Lighting. The yellow lamps are the ones originally put by the government. Everything else you see is from locals, like those blue star look-alike lamps.
Won't so much lighting blind people?
No, because some are for decoration. Others are in green to match the nature theme. Some of them even illuminate the plants.
The one above the ATM is slightly broken.
Yes, but it's pretty fun. The 5th aspect is unity. It happens spontaneously when all previous aspects are in harmony. They turn into an experience for tourists to enjoy. A unity that resembles the consistency and effort of locals, turning their home place into something special. Now, look towards the sky and let's explore some more.